Essential tremor is one of the most common movement disorders diagnoses. In many cases, the tremor responds to medicines and is well controlled with them. But sometimes the medicines cause side effects, or even at high doses, they're not effective enough to control the tremor. And in those cases, it's possible to look into other treatments like focused ultrasound and deep brain stimulation. Focused ultrasound uses ultrasound waves to heat up a very small area of the brain, about the size of a pea, and then we burn a small hole there. The medical word for that is an ablation. And in order to do that, we obviously have to have very good accuracy because there's a specific spot in the brain that we want to do an ablation, and that's the thalamus. And in particular, it's the VIM nucleus of the thalamus. And so we have special MRI sequences that help us find that. And while we're doing the procedure, the patient is awake. And so we can test, is it working? Is it getting rid of the tremor? And if it's not, we can make very small adjustments, about 0.5 millimeter in any direction. A typical result from a focused ultrasound procedure is about 80% tremor relief. Sometimes we have home runs that are 90, 95%, even close to 100%, but we don't expect that. We expect 80%. And one of the things that we're always balancing is treatment effects and side effects, because right near the area where we're doing the ablation to control tremor, it also can cause clumsiness or difficulty walking if the lesion is too big. One person might be just, if I could eat and drink okay, that's what I'm after. Another person really may want to get their hobby of painting back. And so we're able to decide together between me and the patient how hard we want to try and decide what's a good stopping point. One of the main concerns or questions that patients have is how durable is this treatment? And it's very durable. In about 80% of the patients, it lasts for at least 5 years. Many patients are brought to tears to see their tremor go away. For somebody where everything they do, every time they try to type something on their computer, write something, write a check, they're impacted by it. To have it go away is life-changing, and it happens all in a moment. Focused ultrasound is about more than reducing tremor. It's about enabling you to live your life with independence, ease, and hope for the future.